Welcome YouTubers. Today I'm gonna show you 1986 Corolla. Kind of rebuilding it. It was fully scratched, fully not scratched, rusted, corroded. You can see from everywhere. You can see the condition, but it's got almost all these main things. Everything is present, even after 36 years. You can see I'm working on it. You can see the floors are corroded. I'm going to be cutting and welding new floors. As you can see, it's got CNG here. It's a gas, not LNG, CNG. It's an Italian kit, Lendi Renzo. So here, this wiring was, I've just done this wiring. This gauge wasn't working. Bert is draining battery. So you can see this wire was broken. We'll just replace this wire. Speedo wasn't working. Fixed the speedo. Replaced that wire. And also I'm just in the process of cleaning. Took all the seats off. And security system is all cut. I'm going to be fixing that as well. I have replaced its injectors. It was consuming a lot of fuel. You can see the condition outside. This color is all gone. Look at this color. So look at the condition. I also need some work doing underneath. See, that is corroded. Also, after all this, it's only repainting. I'm going to be doing this sail, new sail, half of it. A bit of wing. Also, that needs scraping off. A bit of alignment. You can see all this color is gone. All the color is gone.